Welcome back to my channel, y'all. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, I ordered a Wantable box and I have no idea what is inside this box. It is completely closed up and has not been opened. We're gonna unbox this together and go through everything that Wantable offers. Okay, but before we get into this Wantable haul and everything that Wantable has to offer, you guys, come here, y'all. Come here, I need to tell you something. This is gonna save you so much money, I promise. All right, y'all, so you know I do not gatekeep, so I am here to spill the tea for y'all. Have you ever found something that you absolutely love, but the price makes you think twice? Well, that happened to me recently on my last haul when I was doing a Wantable haul. This shirt that you see me wearing in this Wantable haul right now was priced at $64. As much as I really love the shirt, I just couldn't justify spending $64 on that shirt at that time. But y'all, I couldn't stop thinking about the shirt. So later, very recently, I decided to look up that shirt online. And to my surprise, I found the exact same shirt for $32 on the brand's website. It was priced at $32, which is half the price that they were trying to sell it to me on Wantable. Okay, so this was one of the shirts, right? This is the main shirt. And then I saw that it also came in black, you guys. I was so freaking stoked. I know it's just a basic tee, but the embellishment down here is what really caught my eye. And as you can see, the brand right here, I just looked up the brand of what it was. That was how easy it was. So as I was about to check out my shirts, I saw an additional discount offer from BeansID. So what I did is I went to the BeansID website and then I signed up for an account. And according to BeansID, discounts are available for many groups, including healthcare workers, military members, first responders, teachers, parents, charity workers, low-income households, and even people with disabilities. So the best part is that it's absolutely free to sign up, y'all. If you're looking for an easy way to save money while shopping online, I highly recommend creating a free BeansID account. You might be surprised by how many brands offer exclusive discounts just for the work you do. So because I'm a healthcare provider, I get like so many different discounts from American Eagle, DSW Shoes, Armani Exchange, and then a lot of these brands from Wantable as well, y'all. So if there is like something that you're interested online, make sure you visit BeansID and see how much you can save. So really, y'all, it was that easy. So I had to share that with you that I found this BeansID like website account. So I'm going to show you my receipt from these two shirts that I got on the brand's website for $32 plus 15% off just for being a healthcare worker. So that's how I signed up. I signed up under my healthcare provider information, and all you have to do is show either like a license or even like a pay stub to show proof that you're getting paid by said company, right? If you're a nurse, healthcare worker, a teacher, you have to show like some type of proof, okay? So yeah, shop smarter and save, y'all. That is all I'm here to do, and that's all I wanted to tell y'all. I love a good deal. Don't even play with me. If I find good deals, y'all, I'm going to show them to you. Don't even trip. Okay, let's get into this box and let's go over everything that Wantable has sent me. So straight off the bat, you guys, they send 9 items in these boxes. Also, I priced these items to be between $30 to $100. So they're going to be sending me items within that price range, okay? You can set your own price range. Don't even worry about that, y'all. Whatever you want your price range to be, you go ahead and put that into your description box in the settings. So here we go. I have 9 items here, very nicely packaged. It even has my name on here. Oh my God, styled for me. Yes, girl, Samantha, that is me, girl. Okay, so right here, straight off the bat, you guys, you have to pay a $20 styling fee plus tax. So in total, it came out to be like $21 and some change. But that styling fee goes towards any of the items that you decide to keep. Let's open this up and let's get into the first item. So out of 9 items, boom, let's start with the first one and get right up into it. So we have this top right here. Let's try it on, y'all. Let's go. All right, y'all, so here is the first top. Okay, it's not bad. It's fitted nicely. It's very much covering me up. Like, look, y'all, I don't think I own any shirts this long on the sleeve. Let's take a look at this sleeve though, shall we? So it's blue and white striped. And then take a look at this material. It is a very stretchy material, you guys. Look at this neckline, y'all. I am covered. I am covered up in here. And I did pair it just with my pink shorts that I'm already wearing because I do think that this is a very casual top. You guys, it fits very nicely. And I'm going to tell you something. This is a size medium, you guys. So imagine if I would have went for a large, like I order a size large on Shein and it fits perfectly. But for these types of clothes, these are quality pieces of clothing, y'all. You need to size down. I 100% recommend sizing down. So I went with the size medium for this top. All right, y'all, I'm gonna put the description of everything about this top right over here for y'all. Don't even trip, okay? But I do wanna tell you, $69 for this shirt is a little expensive, okay? I ain't even gonna front. Y'all. It is a little bit expensive, but regardless, this is the first item. Let's get into the next. All right, y'all, so here we go for the second item. Now, what they call this on the paper is a muscle tank. First off, don't be saying muscles tank to me, y'all, because that sounds like too masculine. I don't like that word. But let's take a look at what it says up here. Spicy Margs, por favor. I mean, hello, yes, girl. Spicy Margs, por favor, because hello, I am going to be going on a cruise and I have to tell you something. So when you are ordering from Wantable, you are going to have the option to write a note to your stylist. You are going to be able to tell them everything that you want in this particular box to be sent to you. So for example, for me, for this box, I put in my notes for the stylist, I like fitted clothing, I like mini skirts, mini dresses, shorts, denim shorts. I like crop tops. I don't want my tops baggy or too long. I don't need pants. And I don't want long sleeves or jackets. I don't want sweaters either. Think Shein vibes, Fashion Nova vibes, Temu, cute, trendy items. I live in warm weather, so I don't need anything to keep me warm. I love pastel colors. I'm very girly. I don't want shoes or jewelry. So that is what I put into my style notes for this particular box. Okay, so I decided to keep this top on and showcase the shorts that they sent me. I am obsessed with these shorts and I'm going to tell you why. So let's first start here that they do have pockets and they do have this elastic waistband right here that I absolutely love. And it does come with this string right here. You can actually tighten the waistband if you need to, and it just goes all the way back. I love the print. I love the colors with the white and like this like tannish, like brownish type of color. I love it. It's not too short in the back either. It's a perfect length and it's very beachy, right? It's like super beachy. I'm going to the pool. I'm very casual. I'm on a cruise. I'm on vacation, whatever. Also, something that is important, why I think I really like these shorts, it's a brand that I really like, you guys. These shorts are the brand Roxy, okay? I grew up with Roxy because I'm right here by the beach. And so we were always like buying Roxy products. Roxy is an expensive like surf brand product. Oh my God, I love these shorts. I had no idea that Wantable had Roxy name brand clothes anyways. So really cool to know. I'm really happy with these pants. I am going to keep them. $54 for these Roxy shorts, 100% a keeper. Okay, I'm definitely gonna keep these shorts because they're gonna get some really, really good use out of them. I did get them in a size large as well, y'all. Let's get on to the next. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and showcase these shorts that they sent me. Absolutely love these shorts, you guys. I am not familiar with a lot of the brands that Wantable has, but I will say that it has introduced me to brands that I would have never thought of buying from prior to ordering from Wantable. So let's take a look at the shorts. These are very classic jean, girly girl, everyday casual shorts, right? I love the cuff here. I like the little distressed look as well. These kind of are high-waisted, y'all. Like this is going all the way up to my like waist / belly button. I would call this high-waisted. The problem for me is the back. Now I had this problem with another Wantable pair of shorts that they sent me in my last haul. I need to ask them for a different size of these shorts because this is not gonna work for me. I can't be out like, you know what I mean? No, this isn't gonna work for me. They do have pockets in the back. It's not too short as well, you guys. I love the length on here. They are so comfortable and they're very, very stretchy, you guys. I got these shorts for well, I didn't get them for, I haven't paid for them yet, but these shorts are $58. So not bad, because if you go to American Eagle, you're gonna be spending that much on a pair of jeans at American Eagle. And I will say these shorts definitely remind me of the American Eagle brand, y'all. Okay, what do you think about these ones? Let's get on to the next, y'all. All right, y'all, so here we go. We are on the 5th item, which is this casual tee right here. Take a look at this awesome blossom, really cute, just casual tee, y'all. Like, I love this because this is something that I would wear to the beach or wear to the pool, like to just throw over my bikini top or whatever. It's very casual. It's cute. And you know what? I'm a sunshine flower girl. I mean, this shirt really does actually suit me. So I did get this one in a size medium. So as you can see, it's like oversized, right? This thing is oversized. It's breathable and movable. If I would have ordered a size large, it would have been too big for me. So I'm really happy that I did go for like this medium type of look. But here's the top, y'all. Really cute, really good vibe. I think I am gonna actually keep this top. It's $59, and I have to tell you something really cool that Wantable offers. Hold up. Y'all already know that I am about the deals up in here. So I have to tell you about Wantable's reward loyalty program. For any 3 items that you keep from your Wantable box, you get $30 in credit to use towards your next purchase. If you keep 9 of your items from your Wantable box, you get $120 credit towards the purchase of any of your future Wantable hauls. The best thing is that if an item does not fit you properly, you can actually send the item back and exchange it for another size. We want that money. We want to spend money and go shopping. All right, y'all, let's get into the rest of the video. All right, Wantable, you are coming through for your girl. Yes. Okay, so both of these pieces are together. Well, they're not together. They're separate pieces, but they're both from Wantable. So let's start with the top. So it's just a really plain yellow tank top, but the main event of this top, okay, is that it has a band right here. So what happens is the band lands right here on your mid, like on the mid waist, and then it slumps over like that. So you see how it has the band back here, and then it just chills there, and then the rest of the shirt like slumps over. Well, you know what's something really, really interesting? In the notes to my stylist, I literally wrote, I like my tops to be even with my skirts and my shorts. So that goes to show the stylist is really listening and reading your wants and your needs, okay? So I just thought that that was so funny. I had to mention that to y'all, but this top did come in a size medium and it is on sale right now for $36. So if I were to have just purchased this top in this haul, $36 plus my $21 styling fee, that $21 styling fee will go towards this top. So 36 minus 21 is like 15, right? So I would actually be paying 15 bucks for this top on top of my styling fee, right? So not bad when you think about it in that way. So let's get on to these shorts right here, okay? So the shorts are very nice. Y'all, let me show you these pockets. They go deep, y'all. These pockets go deep and they are well fitted, you guys. Take a look at how long they go as well. Like they are covering my thick thighs, y'all. They are really covering up these thighs size right here. I like that they have these pockets in the back. They are high-waisted, okay? These are high-waisted. They are stretchy. I will say that I could size down. Supposedly, these are a size large. I could definitely size down in the shorts, and I think I'm going to do that for my next haul because all of these shorts that I've gotten, besides the Roxy ones, have been a little big. Watch. Okay, like for example, these shorts and these shorts, they're a little too big. I need to size down in these ones. However, the Roxy shorts, these Roxy shorts fit like a freaking glove. They are perfect, and I think it's because Roxy runs a little tight. But regardless, that's what I'm going to do for my next haul. I'm just going to size down for the shorts, okay? Oh my God. Okay, so far, what do y'all think about these fits? I think that they are fitting. I think that Wantable is on the right track here. Okay, Wantable, what is going on here? Okay, y'all, so as you can see, I am wearing a bathing suit. Don't get scared, okay? So the bathing suit is not part of this haul. It's this dress. This is a gorgeous freaking dress. I just have to say, take a look at the bottom. It's like almost mermaid style down here. Look at the detail down here on this dress. Now, it doesn't hit the ankles. It goes a little bit right above the ankles, okay? And I am obsessed. So this is the thing here. Let's just get straight into the main event, which is, it is like a see-through knitted dress, right? I really do like the color. It's almost like a very, very dark burgundy, tan, or brown type of color. And you know, it's very easy breezy. It is like, I am going to the beach. That's exactly what this dress is made for. And right here, it does have like a little tie strap, so you can tie it in the back, tie it right here, or tie it in the front like I did. That's how I decided to do the dress. Okay, y'all? So anyway, this dress is $78. I was not expecting Wantable to send me this dress, but I did put in the notes, don't send me anything that's gonna keep me warm. And I like fitted dresses. So, you know, y'all, they did their thing. The stylists did do their thing, so I will give them that. What do you guys think about this dress, y'all? Let's get on to the next item. What is going on with Wantable? Y'all have been hitting it for me. Okay, so take a look at this dress. But yes, of course, we have to get on to the main detail, which is the pockets. There are pockets in this dress, y'all. Oh my God. I love this dress. I'm gonna be straight out. I was not expecting me to really, really love this dress. I really do love it. And what I really like is that there's lining under the dress, so it's not see-through. It's very flowy, very easy breezy. It does have adjustable straps as well. I like the print. I like how it's very like stretchy. Like take a look right here. Can you guys see the detail of the stretch right here at the mid waist and all the way in the back? Okay, really nice. I will say that this dress is a little bit expensive. It is $78. I'm not sure, but I can tell that it is really good quality, and I like that about this dress. I just love the pockets, y'all. Give me some pockets. Let's go on a cruise. I'll hide my snacks in here or something. All right, y'all, what do you think about this one? Size medium too, y'all. Oh my God. All right, let's get on to the last and final thoughts. All right, y'all, so my last and final thoughts is that I really like this dress. I love these Roxy shorts, and I also really like this Blossom Awesome top. So I'm gonna keep these 3 items, and I'm gonna hope that I get my $30 credit from my next Wantable box. With that $30 credit, I can use it towards anything in my next Wantable box, y'all. So that is really, really cool, and I'm really happy with that loyalty reward program. All right, y'all, thanks so much for being here. I'll catch y'all in the next. Peace out, y'all.